technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened flat today and traded in a positive manner for around first couple of hours of the trading session. Then around 12 in the afternoon we saw a sharp fall which took the Nifty down till up till 74.80 on the downside. However, the Nifty bounced back sharply from there and retraced the entire fall from the highs of 7808 up till the fall of 7480 by 78.6% and faced again resistance there. And again after the Nifty was almost positive by 120 points or more than 120 points, it gave up all its gains, and in the around the fall started from around 2 in the afternoon and we closed with a negative 17 point cut on the Nifty. So you could just measure the amount of volatile trading activity that we saw on the day of the budget today. The advanced decline ratio though was positive with 895 advances to 623 decline, majorly on the back of the mid and small cap stocks. The small cap index was closed up by 1.4% and the mid cap index closed up by 0.6%. From the Nifty 50 pack, ICICI, TCS, Reliance, HDFC Bank closed in the negative today. On the flip side, IDFC, ITC, DLF and Hindalco were some of the gainers in trade today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative for the third consecutive day running after much of the volatility in intraday. Again we saw the Nifty close below the crucial support of the 20-day simple moving average, which is placed at 7596. And now considering the high volatility today, tomorrow we have the Infosys results also. So the volatility might still be there in tomorrow's trading session also. However, our short-term trend still remains down and we expect the fall in Nifty will continue. There will be intraday bounces and there will be a lot of points in the trading day when we feel that this might be a stop for the fall in the rally that we are seeing on the downside. However, on a closing basis, we are seeing that the Nifty is closing below the crucial support of the 20-day simple moving average, which is not a good sign for the bulls, and that is the reason why we are holding on to our short-term trend as down. The daily momentum indicator also, however, Nifty was up by 120 points in today's trading session. On a closing basis, it closed in the negative, so the momentum indicator still has a negative crossover, indicating that the fall is still not complete on the downside. On the hourly chart, we can observe that after touching the low of 7480 on the downside, the Nifty bounced back sharply and it faced resistance at the 78.6% key Fibonacci retracement level, and it sold off sharply from there, indicating that this was just a minor retracement of the fall which we have seen from 7808. Now in coming trading sessions, 7480, which is the low it touched in today's trading session, is a crucial level to watch out for. If in tomorrow's trading session or in the coming trading sessions we see the level of 7480 being breached on the downside, then we can see a sharp fall in the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. On the upside, the 78.6% retracement level, which is placed at 7730, is a crucial resistance, and if the market goes above that crucial resistance, then that is a sign of worry for the shorts. Until and unless these levels are breached on either side, traders can hold on to their short positions, and below 7480 traders can add on to their short positions. Our short-term target is placed at 7370 on the downside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has also closed in the negative today. It is continuously closing the negative since last 4 trading sessions. Today was no different, and it has closed in the negative. Our view or bias on the Bank Nifty still remains negative. We expect lower levels on Bank Nifty. Crucial supports are placed at 14,670 and 14,300. On the upside, 14,973 and 15,200 are crucial resistances for Bank Nifty. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains negative. Now tomorrow we have the Infosys result. There might be some volatility in tomorrow's trading session. 7480 is a crucial support below which we can see the Nifty falling up to 370 on the downside. Crucial resistances are placed at 7669 and 7730. Crucial supports are placed at 7441 and 7360 on the downside. That's all for the day. Thank you.